This is the My Green tote bag, perfect for your computer, perfect for any accessories that you have, and this is the blue color. Now, one of the coolest things about this tote bag is that there's so many ways that you can carry it. For one, you have these straps on the top that you can kind of clamp down together, so you can hold it that way. You have these straps on the side so you can hold it over your shoulder, and you have backpack straps as well. So if it's pretty heavy, you can wear this like a backpack, and the straps are very comfortable. The quality of this thing is really, really nice. It's got fine stitching and it looks like it's going to last. If you look at the front, you have this big pocket you can unzip, and inside that you have mesh pockets here, so you can just put a lot of accessories in the front. Maybe it's power cables or things like that. On the other side, on the back, besides the backpack straps, you have a strap for like your luggage, and you have this little button pocket that gives you a lot of room if you have like an iPad or anything else like notebooks and things. On the sides, you have spots for your water bottles, and then inside, this is pretty cool. You have a lot of space. This thing is really big, really open, and you have a spot for your laptop over here. This will fit like your big laptops. And on this side, you have another pocket with some mesh zipper pockets and some spots for your pens and pencils. And this thing will also zip up, just making it a little harder for anyone to get in there and take anything. But I do like that a lot as an option, having that zipper there. And then you can fold this thing around, and it actually has a little clip on the front, so you can clip this thing in and keep it from opening up. It's a really nice quality bag. I love how many options you have to carry it, and it looks really nice. It looks great to just walk around with. It looks very professional, great for school, great for work. Highly recommended, and thanks for watching.